First by Kobe Barria. Number 15, number 19, and number 11, Byron. Nawali number 2, Brillama. Wala nawali number 11. Number 11. Intercepted yung number 10. Wala nawali number 11 again. Number 11. Kumihit ang bote. Not basket. Traveling violation.
Sorry.
Oh, wow. Indo may number 11, pass to number 24. Number 24, nagbababa ng bola. Number 24, Bill Cassius, pass to number 19. Number 19. Nakuha ka ni number 24, dinali-bali pa. Rebound by number 10, Merano. Merano, pass to number 0, ang yaman to number 13. What a play! Oh, wow! Wait, tackling na break. Technical yan. Number 10, Reviso. Pass to number 19. Number 19, one of the receiver. Pass to number 11, 10 to shoot. Number 24, pass to number 19, outside, 5 to shoot. Wala pa rin ako ni number 11, Byron. Number 11, sino? Buno pa sa depensa. At may nakitang line tulit. Number 11, pass to number 10, Repiso. Number 10, one receiver, pass to number 2, Cardinal. Wala pa rin ako ni number 26, De La Cruz. Pass to number 10, number 11 to number 10, Merano. Pass to number 13, Bandilo. Wala pa rin, natakanya pa rin ang rebound. Number 30, pass to number intercepted. Ngunit nakuha ni number 11. Wala pa rin, nakuha ni number 11 again. Ngunit intercepted yung kay number 10. Number 10 nagbamadali. Oh! Number 10, pass to number 11. Number 11, wala pa rin nakuha ni number... Foul. Who's ball right? Number 11, Byron. Number 11, first foul and first. Substitution, Mr. Rat. Stop again. Alfred. Number 10, Merano. Nagbababa ng bola.
Alis ka dyan, kaya nga lumipan eh.
Pass to number 05, Bulawan. Good for two, but I number 05. Number 40, Raimundo. Nagbababa ng bola. Number 14, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 19, El Bazar. 15 to shoot, number 19. Bumangga ng bote. Pull up chain, wala pa rin ako ni number 05, Bulawan. Number 05, pass to number 10, Merano. Pass to number 26, ngunit ako ni number 8. Number 08, load receiver, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 05. Inbound by number 24, pass to number 10, Repiso. Number 10, starting of the play, pass to number 14, Raimundo. Wala pa rin ako ni number 29, Dudong. Number 29, Bad News. At may nakita pa sa rin mula kanino kay number 05, Bulawan. Ikaw daw. Papaalala po natin. Ikaw, Quintas, Bulitas. Tanggal. Tartar daw sa ngipin. Baka meron sa tenga. First attempt, not good. Last throw, try number 29. Wala pa rin ang nakuha na rebound nino. Number 29 again. Number 29, bongga ng konti. Crossover, ngunit meron kitang foul mula kay number 10. Ay? 29. Okay, si foul. Holding foul yun eh. Number 10, pass to number 0, pass to number 10 again. Number 10, bongga ng konti. Number 10, nagmamadali, fake news. Wala pa rin nakuha ni number 29. Number 29 nagmamadala. Pass breaker number 14. Raimundo. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 05. And Bulawan. Number 05. Setting up play. Pass to number 08. Villama sa press. 3 points. Grabe naman yung mga kamay na yun. Ang score po natin ay 0-7. Number 24, Mercasus. Open for receiver. Number 24, pass to number 19, catch shoot. Number 19, Bongga ng bote, tumimik. Pull up game. Puto siya para ay number 19. Altasap pa yun, magkakabuka. Loko eh. Number 11, Byron. Crossover moves. Bunali pa. Ngunit wala na ni number 19. Number 19, nagmamadali. Number 19, pinutos ang depensa. Puto sa ganyan, back to back two. Number 10, Mirano. At meron kitang foul mula kay number 10, Rapiso. Number 10, first personal foul and first team foul. Number 10, Mirano. Pass for number 05, Bulawan. Number 5, selling on the play. Number 5, pass to number 08. Wala na nakuha ni number 11. Number 11. Reverse play. At ulit wala pa rin nakuha ni number 19. Number 19 nagmamadali. Number 19. Number 19. Number 19. 15 shoot. Pass to number 14. Raimundo. Back to number 19. Sagsaging mo. May nakitang foul mula kay number 11. Number 26. Sino ba? Si Ray pa lang. Sorry naman. Akin yung... Okay. Number 08, first personal foul and second team foul. Pasok ang muna. Last throw para number 19, Pasal. Number 19. Not doon, nakuha ni number 11, pass to number 10, Merano. Number 10, nagmamadali. Pass to number 08. Number 08, take. Roll to receiver. Pinasakay number 11 at may nakitang foul mula kay Number 19. Number 19, first personal foul and second team foul. Oh, wow. West. Last draw. Papasok kaya hindi. Wala na wala ni number 29. At may nakita, marami yung violation. Huwag na lang sa ulitin. Number 10, Marano. Pass to number 0, Drillama. Pass to number 11. What a pass! Grabe, parang magkakadugtong-bulukan na ito Number 19, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 10, Reviso. Number 10, setting up a play. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 24, Mercasus. Pass to number 14, Raimundo. Kinaliwe. Oh, wow. Putos yun. Number 11, intercepted by number 24. Bumali pa, nakatila pa. Nawala number 14. Number 14, Tegnus. Pass kay number 19, Tumangga. Pinlas on the bench at may nakitang foul again. Foul by number 11. Number 11. First personal foul and 13 foul. Two shot awarded para kay number 19, Nagpasan. First attempt is not good. Number 19. Pasok ang pangalawa. Byron. Pass to number. Looking for receiver. Pass kay number 10. Merano. Number 10, nagbababa ng bola. Dinoto sa depensa, nakala mo ba? Pass to number 11. What a nice! Back to back to back. To back to back. Number 10. Number 10. Ready, so setting up a play. 15 shoot. Number 10. Pass to number. Ano yun yun? Wala ko nakita Wala yun. Number 10. Pass Pas ke number 7, Renjama. Renjama pull up chain. Nice. Number 24, Percachus. Number 24, sending home play. Shoot. 15 to shoot. Pas ke number 19, number 19. Admin Nahitan terlalu. Number 05, pass number 11. Number 11 is Baba Banandola. Number 11, intercepted. Save ball ang nabalaan ng referee. Number 08, pass to number 05, doon laban sa 3. Wala na huli number 29. Number 29, pass to number 1, kay number 05, pass to number 26, Black Cruz. To number 10, Narano, tumila ng 3. Number 10, Releasa. Pass to number 14. Ball. Pass to number 14 again, Raimundo. Pass to number 10. Number 10, Releasa nakakita ng butas. Ngunit nandun. Gandang putback para kay number 19. Number 19. Intercept again. Mulit. Center ball. Substitution is the rat. Imbang by number 11, pass to number 05, Bulawan. Going to receive. Bulawan. Pass to number 10, sa press. Wala na wali number. Number 29, Bugong. Number 29, nagbala balik. Number 29, going down the court. Galanganin. Number 08, Renjama. Nagbababa ng bola. Number 08, pass to number 5, Bulawan. Ada dito din. Number 14, Raimundo. Crossover move, pass to number 30. Number 30, pass to number 34, Percachus. Ang benalitan sa rabiling violation. White ball. Number 24, pass to number 30. To number 19, number 19. Wala pa rin ang wala number 30. Wala pa rin ang wala number 19 again, number 19. Sinalobong ang 27-6 piano yung mga number 1 to press. Number 40 seconds remaining for our first quarter na lang. Number 14, Raimundo sa press. Wala pa rin. Set na number 24 to number 11, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 11. 25 seconds. Number 11, at may nakitang foul. Down. Kay number 30. Blanking foul. Number 30. First personal foul and first team foul. Number 11, Marino. Pass to number 08, Renjama sa press. Wala pa rin ang wala number 24. 20 seconds. 17 seconds. 15 seconds. Number 24, pass to number 14. Number 14, pass to number 19. What a connection by Berlader connection. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 3, 2, number 1. Pull up change.
Next one, gitna tayo, gitna.
Right ball. Inbound by number 11. Number 11, pass to number 14, Raimundo. Number 14, pull up J. Wala na muli number 30. Number 30, Tumangga. Full of game, wala pa rin ang only number. Number 10, Retiso. Full of game, at meron itong foul, wala kay number. Number 05. Number 05, second personal foul and first team foul. Kung siya tawanan para kay number 10, Retiso. Pasar. Wow. Last draw, para kay number 10. Number 10. Wala. Nawala ni number 19. Number 19, wala pa rin. Nawala ni number 7. Dinalik ba yung bola? Kapag tayo number? Thunder ball. Number 7, pass to number 16, Bulawan. Bulawan, binutas ang depensa. Pass to number 27, Castro. Wala pa rin. Nawala ni number 27 again. Number 27, Bulga. Pass to number 05, number 05, 2.0 para number 05, Jasper Bulawan. Number 11. Number 11, looking for receiver. Number 11, pass for number 14. 15 shoot, number 14, Raimundo. Raimundo, watan sinzagin mo. Wow. Number 27, pass to number 16, Jay Bulawan. Number 16, crossover move, pass to number 7, pull up Jay. Wala pa rin. Nawali number 10, Retiso. Retiso, represented by number 7, Yasar. Number 7, crossover, pass to number 16, pass to number 7 again. What a play, nawali number 16, Kobe. What a noise. Number 19, nagbabawa ng bola. Number 19, binutos ng depensa. Sa gilid kumaan. Magbulang sa tubig, nilangat ng record. Oh, wow. Number 35, Bulawan, pass to number 1, Miguel. Wala na, nawala ni number 30. Number 30, dinalipin ng bola, papunta kay number. Intercept din kay number 05. Number 05, nagmamadali. Number 05, Bula, same ball. Talagang mga, walang kinakatakutan. Number 7, pass to number 27, mabitawa ni number 20. Number 20, binalipin ng bola, papunta kay number 14, binasa kay number kay number 10, promotion. Number 16, pass to number 05, Kambal. Foul by number 10. Number 10, second personal foul and first team foul. Sab daw, sab. Ito na idol ko, Kobe Marian. Number 16, pass to number 27, Cipres. Wala. Nawa na number 27 again. Number 27, Jelly. Grabe yung game na isa. Parang wala kang over. Ang ngayon mo. Number 19, Nalpsar, pass to number 11. Number 11. Wala pa rin ako ni number 05. Number 05. Speed na parang washing. Number 05, pass to number 7. Back to number 05. Number 05, pass to number 30. Nakayalan. Number 30. Wow! What a behind the scene! Punto siya para kay number 48, Raimundo. Number 27, pass to number 5. Number 5 to number 16. Number 16, nagbababa na bola. Jay Bulawan, binutos sa depensa. At may nakita ang foul mula kay number 11. Number 11, first personal foul and second team foul. So siya tawagin para kay number 16. Wala pala. Bola. Inbound by number 7, pass to number 1, Benguel, Cipres. Ayan ball. Number 20, pinalabang by number 11. Number 11, pass to number 14, Raimundo, pass to number 2, Kobe. Wala pa rin ako na number 05. Number 05, nagmamadali. Number 05, kinain na. Wala pa rin ako na number 30. Pass to number 14. Number 14, nagmamadali. At may nakita, double, triple. 17, Pulawan, Zerdan. Beritahu ni number 30, pass to number 14. Ada. Only number 1, Bengkel. Para penungket, number 1, pass to number 27, number 27. Belakang dalam. Number 2, Bernal, pass to number 14, number 14, the take news, step 6. Number 19, Al-Sad. Burung-burung mana? 10 shoot. Yes, 13, 2 for 2. Number 1, Trinkel. Tatlo, naman sa isa. Wow. Number 14, nagbababa ng bola. Ang score pa natin ay 27-26 in favor of Phenomenal. Number 14, Raimundo, 10 shoot. Pass to number 11, sa tres. Wala na wala number 27, Castro. Number 27, pass to number 05, number 05, nagtolo dali. Number 05, wow. Save one. Something is correct. Number 24, in and number 11 out. Number 7, pass to number 16. Number 16, sa tres. Wala na wala number 11. USA the glass, group pro 2. Number 24, Bercasius. Pass to number 19, sa tres. Number 19, not good. Nauna number 1, Maringel. Number 1, nagmamadali. Number 1, 2-9 na naman ang kalaban mo ng number 19. Number 19 ang pasarang bamadali. Nakuha nila. Alpasa pa rin. Pass to number 24, Mercasius. Mercasius, pinasa sa kawalan. Nakuha ni number 11, Byron. Pass to number 05. Number 05, pass to number 1, Bengkel sa press. May nakita, foul. Foul by number 2, Karinan. Number 2, first personal foul and first team foul. 3 shot awarded para ay Bengkel. Pasok na rin. Pangatlo niya, papasok o hindi? Papasok daw. Pasok, complete 3 points sa right. Sabay tingin sa akin na parang natin happen. Number 30, pass to number 14, Raimundo. Raimundo sa ating play. Pass to number 29, Dugong. Wala naman ni number 11, Byron. Pass to number 1, Bengkel. Bengkel nagbamadali. Pass to number 16, Bulawan. Pass to number 7, pull up 2. Wala pa rin, nakuha ni number 7 pa rin. Number 7, pinasa. Sa. Number 7, bakas. Nakuha ni number 30. Ngunit pa rin ang tawag mula kay number 11. Number 11, second personal foul and second team foul. Number 12, Mercasius. Moving forward, Zipper. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 14, Raimundo. Number 14, pass to number 30. Number 20, number 24, Mercasius. Pull up J. 2.2 para number 24. Sa score na 9-31 lamang ang Salver sa division. Number 16, at pinag na foul mula kay number 2 again. Number 2, second personal foul and warning for penalty. Number 1, Bengkel. Pull up game. Wala na huli number 11. Ay, 7 pa rin. Number 7, umigot ang bote. Wala pa rin. Cinderella. Yung sapatos na tanggal. Foul by number 7. Number 7. First personal foul and third team foul.
Shooter yun.
Rebound by number 14. Number 20, pass to number 29 to number 14, Raimundo. Number 14. Number 14, Lalagap. 5 to shoot. Number 29, Judo, pass to number 14, number 14, Duda Andres. Wala pa rin ako ni number 7, Yasan. Pass to number 1, Karingel. Number 1, Judo, number 29 to number 16, number 16, gandang pinapay Karingel. What a nice! Good comment lang. No. Number 24. Pass number 11. Nakalaban. Number 11. Byron. Lumipad. Wala ba na naman ni number 30. Number 30. Nagbababa ng bola. Number 30. Ayan na. Sumuko na lang sa ring. Foul by number 11. Number 11, third personal foul. Timeout, phenomenal.
Mamaya mag-open na doon sila. Ito? Wala yung cellphone na lang ako. Kaya na naman ang draw card dito. Lagi mo sila yun. Oo. Malpet ka na? Malpet ka na? Oo, lobby nila. Nulak mo na yung mga ano. Pag tuwing gabi, ano pwede ka mag-nakal? Ginawa ng gamit. Alam mo, isa, ay dalawa.
Hello. Last round. Isa lang. Pumasok.
Kailan siya dumating?
Hello. Number 19, Nagpisan. Number 19, Pilotos ng Depensa. Tumama. Nakuha rin ang 26, De La Cruz. At may laki ng foul. Foul. Foul by number 29, Dudong. Number 29, second personal foul penalty. Lamang po ng isang salve. 32-33. Number 19, pass to number 24, Mercasos. Number 24, pass to number 19, pass to number 11, number 11, tumiro ng 3. Wala na huli number. Number 29, Dudong, tumangin ng konti, pumili. Puntos yan, number 29, Dudong. Oras po natin ay 50 seconds remaining. Number 10, Merano. Lakas siya. Naka-frame shot ah. A frame shot? What a nice. 30 seconds remaining. Number 19. Number 19. Number. number 37, Castro. Pass to number 10. Number 10, nag-Magasa. Pass to number 13. Wow! Now number 13. 28 remaining. Number 10. Wala na ulit number. 10 again. 10 seconds remaining. 10.3 seconds. Wait lang, nagsisitas pa. Rebound by number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 08. Back to shoot. Number 08. Pass to number 13. Number 13 to best. Wala na number 29.